Different projects have different demands, but when it comes to linear motion, there's one quality that's always needed: durability. LoPro linear actuators are a tough, low-friction, low-profile solution for your application challenges. It's designed from the ground up to operate in the most extreme conditions. We start with Bishop-Wisecarver's trusted dual V guide wheels, which can be configured for many harsh and extreme environments: high temperature, corrosion, washdown, and more. They provide smooth and reliable motion in the presence of wood chips, steel shavings, moisture, dust, dirt, and other debris. Dual V guide wheels form a 90-degree contact surface mating with the track, which creates an inherent wiping action that clears away debris. LoPro wheel plate options include wheel covers or a specialized wiper wheel plate if required for your application. LoPro track plates can be mounted to aluminum or steel beams or directly to another mounting surface. These modular track sections have been butt-joined for 80-foot applications and even longer, thus making LoPro actuators an ideal choice for long travel lengths. Available as undriven or with belt, chain, ball screw, or lead screw drive options. What differentiates LoPro from other actuators is not only its low-profile design, but flexibility of one that allows for 4 different drive mechanism options. For example, the belt drive is ideal for large load actuation, as seen in this multi-bit drill for wood and fiberglass. Heavy material sections are actuated into position, drilled, then conveyed to the next set of operations. The LoPro is unaffected by the resultant fiberglass debris, which is an extremely harsh contaminant. In this automotive airbag assembly application, 2 screw-driven LoPro actuators in an XY axis are used to dispense glue to attach an airbag assembly to a frame. A lead or ball screw drive are used in this type of application because they are more conducive in less harsh environments low in debris and that require slightly higher precision. To complete your solution, we provide support beams, motor kits, and gantry bracket options. You can trust LoPro actuators to be the dependable linchpin of your linear motion application. Visit our website to download CAD files of LoPro linear actuators and its accessories at bwc.com or call an applications engineer to design your right fit application today. Bishop-Wisecarver, expertly designed, delivered to perform.